One of the things I love about this playground layout is that when you're entering the park, you're just immediately bombarded with fun, and that there's places to go and things to see, and it just feels full. What we're doing here today is a grand reopening of Dwayne Webster Veterans Memorial Park. The city has a depreciation schedule in which every playground gets replaced every 10 years. And this year Dwayne Webster was on the list. So what we did was took out all of the old playground equipment and then redesigned the playground to come back. One of the things that I love is that the little kids playground and the big kids playground are attached with these stepping stones that look like mushrooms. But it makes it so you can have continuous play from one side to the other. The kids can play stay off the lava or whatever games they like. I'm hoping that the playground structures that we put in there are something that will attract adults to get out there and play with their kids, and that people of all ages will be able to enjoy it.